Oh, hello. Ooh. Really soft, spongy. Like the curry. Rice. Has a little sweet and sour. Good crunch to it, to the skin. And I can taste the coconut. How's that go? Coconut in the. So creamy. Oh yeah. Very creamy.